Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a beautiful open work lacy stitch pattern that gives the fabric an airy decorative look, perfect for summer garments, lightweight shawls, drapey scarves, or market bags, or any project where you want the fabric to feel open, elegant, and easy to wear. To begin, we need a base chain that is a multiple of 8, plus 5 extra chains. For example, you can start with 40 or 56 chains. Both are divisible by 8, and then add 5 more chains, giving you a total of 45 or 61. For this demonstration, I prepared a base chain of 24 chains, which is divisible by 8, and then added 5 more. So my starting total is 29 chains. For row 1, make 1 additional chain. This will count as your turning chain. In the second chain from the hook, work 1 single crochet. Chain 5. Skip 3 chains and work 1 single crochet into the 4th chain. Repeat this sequence. Chain 5. Skip 3 single crochet in the 4th chain, all the way across the row. Finish the row with 1 single crochet in the last chain. Begin row 2 with chain 1, then turn your work. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Chain 3. Work a single crochet in the center of the chain 5 space. Chain 3 again, and in the center of the following chain 5 space, work 3 double crochets. Chain 3, move to the next chain 5 space and work 1 single crochet in the middle. Continue this sequence across the row. And finish row 2 with 1 single crochet in the last stitch. For row 3, start by chaining 2 and turning your work. This chain 2 doesn't count as a double crochet, it just lifts your yarn up to the right height. Into the very first stitch, make 1 double crochet. Chain 5. Skip the first chain 3 space and go straight into the middle of the next chain 3 space to make a single crochet. Chain 5 again. Skip the group of 3 double crochets and in the next chain 3 space work another single crochet. Chain 5. Move to the next chain 3 space and place a single crochet right in the center. Keep repeating this pattern. Chain 5. Skip over the groups of 3 double crochets as you go. When you reach the end of the row, finish with chain 5 and 1 double crochet in the very last stitch. Begin row 4 with a chain 1 and turn your work. Make 1 single crochet in the very first stitch, chain 3, and in the middle of the next chain 5 space, work 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and place 1 single crochet in the center of the next chain 5 space. Chain 3, in the next chain 5 space work 3 double crochets, chain 3, make 1 single crochet in the middle of the next chain 5 space, chain 3, in the next chain 5 space work 3 double crochets, just keep following this pattern across the row, alternating between single crochets in the chain spaces and groups of 3 double crochets. For row 5, start by chaining 2 to bring the yarn up to the working height. Go into the very first stitch and make 1 double crochet. Chain 5, skip the group of 3 double crochets and in the middle of the next chain 3 space work 1 single crochet. Chain 5, in the next chain 3 space place a single crochet. Chain 5, skip the next group of 3 double crochets and in the middle of the next chain 3 space work 1 single crochet. Continue this pattern across the row. Finish row 5 by chaining 5 and making 1 single crochet on top of the chain 3 from the previous row. From this point on, we'll be repeating rows 2 through 5 to build the pattern. Let's work row 2 together one more time. Start with a chain 1, then turn your work. Make 1 single crochet in the very first stitch. Chain 3 and place 1 single crochet in the center of the next chain 5 space. Chain 3, and in the middle of the next chain 5 space work 3 double crochets. Chain 3, make 1 single crochet in the center of the next chain 5 space. Let's work row 3 one more time. Start by chaining 2 and turning your work. Make 1 double crochet into the first stitch. Chain 5, skip the first chain 3 space, and in the middle of the next chain 3 space, place 1 single crochet. Chain 5, skip the group of 3 double crochets, in the next chain 3 space work 1 single crochet. Chain 5, and continue following this same pattern across the row. And that's it. Simply repeat rows 2 through 5 until your piece reaches the length you want. As you keep working those repeats, you'll see the beautiful open work pattern really start to form, with those airy spaces and textured clusters creating that lovely lace effect. Thank you for crocheting along with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to check out my other patterns or join me for the next project. Bye!